National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Livingston County in central Illinois, central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, southern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oglesby to Streeter to near Flanagan, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streeter, Morris, Pontiac, Marseilles, Dwight, Oglesby, Seneca, Gardner, Odell, Mazon, Grand Ridge, Cullum, South Wilmington, Cornell, Sonneman, Ransom, Kangley, Long Point, and Verona. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.